Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
This keto caramel uses 1/2 cup powdered erythritol, 4 tablespoon butter, 1/3 cup heavy cream, and 1/4 tsp salt. Gather 1 tsp vanilla extract and a pinch of xanthan gum if you want extra thickness, plus a candy thermometer and a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Use powdered erythritol rather than granular to avoid grainy texture, because granules do not dissolve smoothly when heated. Have a candy thermometer ready to monitor temperature to 230 degrees F for proper caramelization and to prevent burning. Melt butter and erythritol over medium heat and stir constantly until fully dissolved and amber, watching closely because erythritol browns differently than sugar. Reduce heat if it smokes, and keep stirring to prevent local overheating. Add heavy cream slowly while whisking to reach smooth consistency, and watch the temperature so it never exceeds 230 degrees F abruptly. Cook to 230 degrees F, remove from heat. Stir in 1 tsp vanilla and 1 tablespoon butter, then cool slightly while continuing to whisk until homogeneous and glossy. Cool to room temperature before transferring. It will thicken to spreadable sauce as it cools, and the texture continues to firm up in the fridge. If it becomes too hard, stir in 1/2 tsp heavy cream while warming gently to loosen to desired pourability. Store in an airtight jar in the fridge up to 2 weeks. Rewarm by microwaving 10-15 seconds or in a warm water bath to soften. Use as topping for keto ice cream, coffee, or drizzled over 2-inch slices of pound cake for desserts and beverages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.